Hello, I am Dr. Nidhi Sharma from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I am participating in International FTP of Environmental and Sustainability. So, in today's topic, I am presenting the simple ways to help the environment. There are 8 simple ways, so by that we can protect the environment. Students are constantly learning how they can make a difference in the world. There are classes and clubs focused on various social issues, and these places teach students how they can change the issues. One and popular cause that has been popular in recent years is help the environment and preserving your resources. There are several ways by that we can do that. Calculate your environmental footprint to see how much impact just one person has on the world's resources and adjust accordingly. First point, use reusable bags. Plastic grocery type bags that can be thrown end up in landfills or in other parts of the environment. These can suffocate the animal who get stuck in them or may mistake them for food. Now also it takes a while for the bags to decompose. Whether you are shopping for foods, clothes and books, use reusable bag. This cut down on litter and prevent animal from getting hold of them. There are even some stores that offer discount on using the reusable bag. These bags are very useful other than the shopping as well. I have heard like people using reusable bag when they move. If you forgot your bags at home, buy new one. So these are the some simple ways by that we can preserve the. Second point, print as little as necessary. We have all had that teacher that wanted us to have a copy of every single reading when we come to class, or that professor who wanted a hard copy 10 pages that is due next week. These are fine, but it seems that we should understand all these things, like what can we do to stop these uses. Ask your teacher if you can bring a laptop and an e-reader to class so that you can download the reading onto that and read it from there. If not, print on both sides of the pages to reduce the amount of paper use. If you need to turn in a long paper, ask the professor if it is okay to print on both sides. So by that we can stop the wastage of the paper. Third and important point is recycle. Recycling is such a simple thing to do, but so many people don't do it. Many garbage disposal companies offer recycling services. Check with the company you use to see if they can help you to get started. It is simple as getting a bin and putting it out without your trash can for free. Also check with your RA to see if recycling options are offered in your dormant or not. Another way to recycle is to look for recycling can near trash cans. Instead of throwing recyclable in the trash with a non-recyclable, make a point to make an extra step to locate recycling cans around your camp. Fourth, very important, use a reusable beverages containers. Instead of buying individual packed drinks, consider buying a bulk container of the beverage you want to buying a reusable water bottle. Not only will this help the environment but will also help you save money since you are buying a bulk container. Many campuses offer water fountain designed for drinking as well as for refilling reusable water bottles. Make use of these fountains throughout the day when you finish off the initial beverages. Along these lines, many restaurants offer reusable container for drink. If you go to a certain place a lot, consider buying one of these containers to help minimize the waste. So by that we can stop the wastage of plastic bottles. Fifth point, don't throw your notes away. Like at the end of the semester, students are often stuck with the notes. They don't need it anymore, especially to do with their majors. The good news is that teachers that teaches class to keep their material consistent with guidelines from the college and university. This means that the student next semester will be learning basically the same material. So if you took great notes, ask your teacher to connect you with students in a future class so that you can give them your notes. These notes will help the student by being able to read what they are learning in the words to another students. And it is beneficial to read things that are worded differently than what the teacher said. You may need to find a student on your own depending on the teacher's load for the semester. So it means like by doing this activity, we can also minimize the waste. Save electricity. Use energy efficient light bulbs instead of regular bulbs like LED. They last longer, which will save you a bit of money, make you turn off the light, the TV and the other appliances when you are not using them. Lower your AC or heat when it's not required. This is especially true for between seasons. Open your windows in the early fall and layering your clothes in early fall. Seventh important point, save water. Water is wasted more frequently than we can use. Turn off the faucet as you are brushing your teeth. Don't turn your shower on until you are ready to get in and wash your hair. Limit your water usage as you wash dishes. Changing old habits will be good for both the environment and your wallet. Avoid taking cars or carpool when possible. Cars are harmful to the environment. We all know. Taking public transportation, walking or riding a bike to class are better options that help the environment and your budget, as well as getting some exercise in also. If you do need to use your car, compare schedules and places of residency with those in your classes. You can split the cost of gas and have alternative schedules for who drive them. This is cheaper than everyone driving separately and you will be closer with your friends also.